The purpose of TLC for this experiment is twofold. One is the examination of the purity of fluorine from laboratory number 2. You might recall that in laboratory number 2 you recrystallized a sample of fluorine that was contaminated with fluorinone. Here's an example of one of the results from Mike Yarden. Thanks, Mike, for your sample and your result here. Using TLC, you can examine the purity of your recrystallized product. If the TLC product contains one spot, it is considered pure. If it contains multiple spots, it is considered to be impure. Identification of an unknown compound is the second part of this experiment. In lab number 3, you use an acid-base chemistry to separate a mixture of two compounds. The first compound was neutral, and we don't know the identity of this compound. You might recall, this is from KG. You might recall laboratory number 3, the first compound, a lot of you gave me this yellow colored solution. So we don't know what that compound is. The second compound was benzoic acid, and it was separated by treatment with sodium hydroxide. Now this is the sodium hydroxide solution of benzoic acid. It actually has to be acidified to convert to benzoic acid. Using TLC, you can compare the first compound with the TLC of known compounds. If the unknown and the known have the same retention factor, then they are considered to be the same compound.